Hi, welcome to Cooper&Hunter. We understand that the end user doesn't really read the manual, so we're going to help you guys with some key points. Installation and maintenance should be performed by a licensed technician. Also, installation should be in accordance with safety regulations. On fan mode, the unit will display the room temperature, and in any other mode, the unit will display the set temperature. ON is displayed for 3 seconds when features like timer on and turbo function are activated. OF will display for 3 seconds when those features are deactivated. DF appears on your unit when you have it running it on heat mode. This is a regular feature when the outdoor unit needs to defrost, so don't be alarmed. FP is freeze protection, which may appear on your unit when you have it running on cool mode and the outside temperature is below 50 degrees. If you see 2 dashes on your unit, most likely you have a multi-zone, which means you probably have one unit on heat mode and one unit on cool mode. To fix this issue, all you need to do is make sure all your units are running on the same mode. To learn about your remote, click on this link. If you lose your remote, there is a manual control button on the unit which offers a temporary solution. When you press this button once, it will activate auto mode. When you press it a second time, it will activate cool mode. If you press it a third time, it will turn off the unit. Our third control option is Wi-Fi. You can purchase and install this Wi-Fi kit to your wall-mounted unit and it will allow you to control the unit with your smartphone. The AC filter should be cleaned approximately once every 2 weeks. You should turn off the unit before you do so. Try to avoid touching the coil as it can easily cut you. When cleaning the cover, avoid using hot water or chemicals as it can damage the unit. If your AC unit is not turning on, it's possible that the 3-minute protection feature is keeping the unit from overloading. Please try again in 3 minutes and the unit should be back up. If you see a white mist being emitted from your unit, it most likely is because there's a large temperature difference from your room air to the conditioned air being emitted from the unit. Don't be alarmed, this will eventually go away as the temperature adjusts. If your unit is squeaking, it's most likely due to a temperature change. This may cause your parts to expand and contract. This shouldn't last more than a few minutes. Finally, make sure you register your unit for warranty within the first 60 days of installation. For more information about warranty registration, click the link in the video. Thanks for watching, I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.